Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, remote trunk release, LED headlights, mud guards, tires front all season. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.